Hey guys, this is me again and welcome to Vertex 5. As we have discussed earlier in our last video, the materials, there was a thing that was left behind and those were the pencils. So in this video, we are going to talk about the pencils. I'm going to tell you about the pencils because you need to understand before you start. So let's start this video. So guys, in case you are wondering, these are my hands. So these are our pencils, and in the gap I have managed to rearrange the setting of these pencils. So let me show you a bit closer of this thing uh, right here. So I hope you can see it right now. From 9B to 2B, then we have B pencils, a pair of B pencils, then we have one pair of HB pencils and one pair of F pencil, then we have one pair of H pencil, and then we have 2, 3 and so on to 9H. So the reason why I have showed this to you guys because this is gonna come in very handy. So let's just start. There's a scale known as HB graphite scale that indicates both the B and H pencils. What H indicates is harder. Okay, that indicates a harder pencil, and the B designate the blackness of the pencil. So that's the scale. I have an example over here with me. So let's see what we can find here. So guys, you can see the 9H is lighter, and from that we have 8H, 7H, 6H that goes to the darker side. That's the harder pencil, usually used for font making or drafting, or you can also use it in the shading. And then we have an F character right here, if you'll see in the camera. So what F means is a fine point pencil, but there's a relation between harder and softer pencils. If you look closely, the B is lighter, where the 9H is the B is lighter, where the 9H is lighter in the harder pencil. So that's the case. These are opposite in the darkness. When it comes to darkness, if you will see here, 9B pencil is darkest of all. uh, this pencil usually doesn't work much in the drawing process. Right here it's a 6B, and that's enough for the shading process here. But if you need some shadows, or you want to cast shadows and you want it real dark, then you are going to use this 9B pencil. So from B to 9B, it goes from lighter to darker, and from this H to 9H, it goes darker to lighter. So that's how you understand your pencils. And now we are going to be conducting a little experiment. So I'm going to use an H pencil. So guys, we have our H pencil in my hand, and you can see that it's an H I'm not lying, it's an H. So we will press very lightly and we will see what shade we got. And now we will have this 9B pencil, and you can see, you will be amazed to look at the results. Guys, I have let me mention it, it's an H and this is a 9H. So guys, look at the result. Okay, the 9H is very light, where the H is very dark as compared to the 9H. That's because the scale. Okay, I have put same amount of pressure on the both shading lines here, but you can see the result. 9H is very light and where the H is very dark as compared to 9H. Now we will see if we can find a 9B. Now I am going to apply the same amount of pressure again on the 9H. Sorry, it's a 9B. Okay, here we go. Now let's put that back and I have a B pencil here. So guys, let me mark this D and this a 9B. So let's see the result. You will find it very fascinating. The B is lighter and the 9B is very dark. But again, I have applied same amount of pressure on the both pencils and you can see the results. Now look at the results. The B status of the pencil is a bit blacky and soft, where the H is harder. You can see it in the camera even that it looks hard and the B looks cool. So that's how your pencils work. Now if you want, if you allow me, I will show you a complete scale of B pencil sum of. Now we will try this 2B. It's a 2B, yeah, right there. So make this 2B and let's try this 3B. Okay, so now we will try 6B. We will skip 4 and 5. 6 is going to get a little dark in here. That's a 6B. Now I will show you what was the difference. Even from this close you can see the results. Okay, B, 2B, 3B and a 6B pencil, and you can tell the difference. Okay guys, so that was how your pencils work. Okay guys, I have explained to you guys what the pencils will do and what each pencil is for. So I hope that was helpful, and please don't forget to subscribe and also hit the bell icon here so you will get the future updates. So thank you.